Can you imagine having a business working for you 24/7 that's automated, and a business that you don't have to create any products and you don't have to make any calls, and it's all working for you in the background, and you actually get to make 100% of the commissions? Now you're probably saying to yourself and asking yourself, CJ, how do you make 100% commissions? Well, if you want to know how to make 100% commissions, how to make 20,000 in 90 days and getting paid daily. That's right. You don't have to wait weeks or even months like any other program. Or if you're starting a new job where you have to wait 2 weeks to get your first paycheck, you get paid that same day you make a sale. Now, this is done in 15 increments. Now, anybody can find 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, and I could teach you how to do that. But if you want to learn to have a 90-day breakthrough and learn how to make daily pay and learn how to make 100% commissions, how you can make 20,000 by the end of the 90 days, and then learn how you don't have to make any calls, that your business is automated for you, and all you have to do is just plug it in and just start putting in the work, because 90% of the work is already done for you. So all you have to do is just take 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, and then you will hear that phone going ding, ding, ding. That wonderful sound, meaning that money came in. More money, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. So if you want to hear that magical sound of your phone dinging while you're doing your 9 to 5 or whatever, like being out with your friends or family, or even while you're sleeping, this all means that I just helped someone learn how to make that 100% commission, learn how to make 20,000 by the end of the 90 days, and also learn how to have an automated online business. And this also comes with a community that supports you and they help you. And of course, you get yours truly. And it's all for free and for fun. So if you want to learn more about how to do this and to start living your dream life, just put show me more in the comments, and I would love to share this with you.